Good morning everyone, it's been a while since I've posted a video, and back here, up here in Canada we're finally moving into early spring, and it's the first time I can get out in 2021, so come along and let's see what we can do today. Yes. Oh, it came off. It came off. It came off. It came off. I was just about to give up on this chatterbait. Water's a little bit dirty today, and it's about 49.1 degrees, so it's still nice and cold. All I'm throwing is a white chatterbait, and I've got like a brush hog. I think it's just got this like plastic on the back to the water, hopefully to look like a perch or a bluegill or something in the water. So we're trying that to start. A bunch of other... Okay, so moving along. This area is a little bit just not a lot of grass, nothing really in yet, so down there I know it's normally lily pads. I don't think they're up, but at least have a look and see if there's more vegetation down there, maybe for the pike to hang out in. There we go. Okay, don't get ugly with me now. Don't get ugly. Don't get ugly. Just stay calm. Okay. Got the first pikey. Let go. There we go. Not a big one, but first pike. Lovely. There we go. And that I just switched up to underspin and a white swim bait with the underspin, and 2 cast in and got it. Come here. Okay. Okay. So I switched over to the Berkeley wake bull, which is like a wake bullet, well, shallow running crankbait. Like, I'm not in very deep water. I'm in about 4 feet of water. So I'm running a very shallow running crankbait. And I must say, seems to be what they want, because here we have a pike. Lovely, small but nice. Okay, stay on. Got him. Another small one, but got him. There we go. Whoa! Come back. He grabbed this. Well, he doesn't want to let go. Let's change up. Okay, so I switched back to the white chatterbait and chartreuse, or this orange back. I mean, I had hits on this earlier on, and also on the white swim bait, so I think white seems to be the color that they prefer, so let's see. Oh yes, yeah. Oh, change up the color, and we have a just like that. Just like that. Came off in the net. Another small one. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. Look at those nice colors. But yeah, change the color. And to cast on, we get another one. So I think we got the right color. Oh, oh yeah. I think this is a good one. Oh, where's he now? Come on. He's got me wrapped. He's got me wrapped. He's got me wrapped around. Come here. He's got me wrapped. Here we go. There we go. Another nice pike. He was aggressive. He took off like crazy. That was fun. There we go. Oh, came off. Came off, came off, came off. There we go. Another good one. That feels good. Oh, say. Feels good. Oh, he's pulling nicely. He's pulling good. He's pulling good. Ah, come here. Come here. Oh, okay. Wrong species. Wrong species. Sorry. Jeez. Wrong species. So this white chatterbait, just a plain one. I'm not throwing in jackhammers or anything today because I don't want to lose stuff to pike, but that with that orangey chartreuse trailer seems to be doing the thing. So let's see if we can get onto some more pike. Would be nice. Yeah. Come here, you bugger. Oh no. Come here. That nice one. It's now around about 1 o'clock. Gonna call it a day. I think that was very successful. Caught a good amount of pike. So that was good. It was a good first day out since last year. A couple of things that I
want to sort out with regards to my camera setups and batteries, so it was a good opportunity to test that. Another thing is the new rudder that I put on works really well. I mean, we'll see in very strong winds, but steering is good. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.